Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about setting up content security policy. Desk Director uses content security policy headers as a security measure to help prevent attacks. To ensure proper security, it's important to configure the frame ancestor settings in your Desk Director admin portal. This configuration should include the authentication portal, client portal, and tech portal. In this video, we will demonstrate two methods for setting up the content security policy. Method 1 Setup. To configure the necessary settings automatically, navigate to your admin portal. Then, click on Integrations and select Teams. In the Embedding Configuration section, open the drop-down menu and choose the options for Enable Client Portal and Enable Tech Portal. To set up Method 2, first open the Desk Director admin portal and click on System, then select Security. Next, click on Tech Portal to open support.deskdirector and highlight the page. After that, open Demo MSP29.deskdirector, click on Frame Ancestor Domain and select Allow Embed. Then, open support.deskdirector and navigate to teamsapp.deskdirector.com, selecting the text on the page. Finally, return to Demo MSP29.deskdirector, click on Frame Ancestor Domain, choose Allow Embed, and click Save. That is how you set up content security policy. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.